You already know what time it is. It's time for an unboxing. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tanisha, the owner and creative behind JTC Pro Stitch, where I'm sharing with you my creative lifestyle, one craft and stitch at a time. So we're getting ready to start our first project. So we had to order some supplies from my favorite sewing company online, WAWAK. To get started, we're going to do an unboxing on all the supplies that we are going to need to complete this project. Let's get started. WAWAK is like my favorite online sewing company because they have everything you absolutely need to do any type of sewing project, and they have the fastest shipping. So if you're looking to complete a project right on time, this is definitely the company that you want to go with. Pull out all this stuff here. Here we go. Let's get started. So I ordered some Tech 70 thread in black and this natural color. This is a very strong thread that's utilized when making tote bags or handbags. I also ordered in this gray color as well, and of course some serger thread in the natural color, and also in black. And to get my irons nice and clean, I ordered the Easy Off, so that way I have a clean project when I get ready to start my pressing. This is webbing to complete my tote bag. And this is double-sided vinyl leather basting tape. Love this product. It keeps your project in place. It doesn't mess up your needle when you are sewing. Perfect to have. And they have it in different sizes. I ordered it in the half inch size, 60 yards. Perfect to have in my stash. I also wanted a good pair of scissors, so I ordered these very sharp scissors. I think this one is 8 inches, but these are perfect. Used for fabric cutting, precision cutting. Absolutely love these, and I can't wait to start using them. I need an extra pair of snips to keep at my sewing machine and also on my cutting table. More serger thread, and also Profuse flexible. Now this I absolutely use on every one of my bags. With the Profuse, this is what I use to kind of stiffen up fabrics to kind of give it some kind of structure. So this is absolutely perfect, and it is equivalent to the SF 101, but you also get more bang for your buck if you order it straight from WAWAK, the Profuse Flexible. Thanks so much for joining us on our first unboxing. I can't wait to utilize the supplies that we purchased to start our first project. Go ahead and like and subscribe so that way you don't miss out. And until next time, there's nothing like a handcrafted piece. Bye.